Well, obviously I read your comments, and a couple of people have been saying about these gearbox clattering is because I've got nothing behind them, and that's true. I haven't got a transfer box, I haven't got prop shafts, I haven't got anything, no wheels, no axles, nothing. So it's not getting loaded up. So I thought to myself, because I've got nothing to do, there's no work coming in, so I thought, well, I might as well play around, and I did this. Yes, it's a 300 TDI flywheel. A 300 TDI flywheel mounted on to a knackered gear for an LT230. Good old JP put the flywheel in the lathe and turned it down to 2-inch, so it was a press fit on here, and then there's a nut and washer goes in the back of here, so it's nice and solid. I put a bolt in, I'll show you. Well, I'll take the camera off and I'll show you. Yeah, so there's the setup. I put a bolt in there because I was wanting to check if it was true. It's not too bad, it's pretty good. Like I say, there's a bolt washer holding that on so it's not going to fly off. And of course I've taken the ring gear off so we don't catch ourselves. But I have found something else out. Let me put this back on the stand. Now a big flywheel like that isn't really the best of ideas at the back. For the simple reason, my test bench here doesn't quite like it. Oh, it works, but the thing is, if you have to progressively slow it down because the mass of the flywheel turning around is putting weight the other way, and my inverter doesn't like it at all. It thinks it's trying to charge something up. But anyway, let's start it up. I've got oil in it. I've got about 3 hours on this box. It's not too bad. But I've come to the conclusion they're all the bloody same. Everyone I touch is the same. Now if I back it off and stop it, there's no motor drive there, but it's still driving on the flywheel. Turn it on. Now I'll turn it off sharp, and you can hear there's no noise going through that box. So I'm beginning to think that it needs to go through a transfer box, which I've got over there, and put it on the bench. But unfortunately my bench isn't long enough. I don't know what to do. It may be an idea to get my engine testing bench out and put it all together. I don't know if I'm going to be interested enough to do that much. We'll see. But I think it's just nature of the bloody beast myself. Listen to that will knock it out of gear. Turn that backwards. Now watch the drag of the oil. Pulling it round. Put a bit of load on it with my fingers. And there's no noise. Listen, it's quiet, eh? I'm just putting a little bit of pressure on that flywheel. But let it go. It starts to clatter. I think it's alright. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I think that's just the way it is. It would be nice if I could put like a brake caliper on here and just put a little bit of tension on it. I think I could do that actually. Put some load on here. But you see, my motor isn't powerful enough. That's the problem. But that's nice that there's no noise out of that at all. Let me put a glove on. I'll put some oil on this glove. There. See, there's no noise. Apart from the glove. There. See? Oh, maybe I'm backing into the bloody wrong tree. So maybe it just needs a bit of friction. Because if I let go of this, there's noise again. What do you think? Because I think if I hold that to simulate not only the mass going round, but also you're not driving anything. There's no drive. There's no there's no resistance. But if I put a bit of resistance on there with a glove, it works. Now it would be ideal if I had a brake caliper. I haven't got anything. I don't think I have. I'll go and have a look. Then I could put where the pistons go and the pads. I could put 2 screws going through and to simulate some pressure. I don't know. You think about it. This is just a little short video. Catch you later.